Do you want to learn how to make this type of stylish bubu? If yes, stay tuned. So guys, to start off, I'll be folding my fabric into 4 folding. So the folding is 15 inches by 30 inches, 15 inches by 30 inches. So the next thing is that I ensure that I make sure all the sides are open, like this particular side is open and the upper part too is open. So if yours is not open, you just slash it open because you're trying to make boo boo here. So ensuring our right side facing each other, this is the wrong side of it. I will mark the center of my fabric, which is this is the center of my fabric, and I'm going to measure the shoulder measurement divided by 2. Mine is 14, but because of this particular style I want mine to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to make it 15 inches. So I'll be taking 7.5 inches on both sides, so 7.5 inches on both sides, right from the center of the fabric. So the next thing you want to do is to take it to your sewing machine. On that particular 7.5 inches, I'm going to make about 1.5 inches stitch, straight stitch on both sides. Just take it to your sewing machine, make a straight stitch about 1.5 inches. So here, this is what it's looking like. As you can see, I've already made the inches. So the next thing you want to do is to hem it. So what you want to do is to open the remaining allowances and you fold it and you just hem it. So you go ahead and hem the side of your fabric, the down part of your fabric, you hem everything. So here, basically what you just do, especially for this neckline, is to open it up, fold it in, and you run a straight stitch using your sewing machine. So guys, here I've already done that. As you can see, look at it, I've already made everything. I've already everything here with my sewing machine. So what you want to do next is to turn it to the right side. That means we have the wrong side facing each other, right? Yes. So what you want to do is just to make a straight stitch, and this is boo boo, of course, so our stitch should be outside. So the next thing I'll be doing is that on both sides, but I'll be showing just this part of that side. On both sides, I noticed that okay, with what I'm having, I'll just be taking whatever your hip measurement is, additional allowances, but for me I'll just take 3 inches on both sides. So I'll be marking 9 inches downwards to mark the armhole. Then from that 9 inches to about 8 inches, I'll give 8 inches from my slit. That's for working allowance, so as to make working easy. So I'm going to do that on both sides, and what you want to do is that you run a stitch from that 9 inches down, run a straight stitch to the 8 inches allowances. So basically that's just it. You measure your armhole, you have your slits open the way, your slit to be like maybe 8 inches works for me because this is a short gown. You can make yours to be a long gown, you can make it to be wider than this, longer than this, it's all fine. But basically the main style of this fabric, the main style of this gown is the neck area and the sleeve. So guys, basically this is all about this particular style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.